All right, today we're going to take a look at Sway, Microsoft presentation software that is cloud-based. You will always have it available on multiple devices. First thing we'll do is open Office 365 and click on Sway. All of your Sways will end up here. They don't save to OneDrive. If you have a PowerPoint, you can upload into Sway and Sway will format it for you. But we're going to create a new Sway from scratch, sort of. So you come in here and give it a title. Saw a Pew Research article this morning that I wanted to share with my geopolitical studies class, so we will call this partisan politics. And you'll notice when we give the title, it has an option for a picture in the background. And when you click on that, you get options for keyword searches. So you can pick out a picture, you can click and drag it in, and that's now your title slide. This toolbar up top you see has insert, allows you to insert images, videos, or both, combination of the two. Different types of cards, so Sway works in cards as opposed to slides. Gives you design options that you can change the font. There are some limitations that we'll get to. You can also change your layout. So you would scroll vertically. This one you'll scroll horizontally, and the bottom is similar to PowerPoint where it goes slide by slide. So we can change those later. So if you go back to cards and we want to add some text, type your content in the text box. And for the sake of time, I'm not going to type everything in. But in this, you also have some options. You can highlight the text. You can bold. You can italicize. You can bullet number. You can increase the size. But there are, as you can see, there are some limitations. If you create this as a heading, the text will be placed on top of background image. So you can add an image. Let me show you here where you can take images that you have saved. You can drag and drop images into the Sway, and the text will appear on top of that image. So the image is the background. If you look at preview over here, and you're starting to see the flow of the Sway. To return to edit mode, click on this arrow. It takes you back. I want to add a hyperlink to the article that I am using as the information for this Sway. So I'll copy the URL, highlight the text, insert the link, and now it's hyperlinked so the students can access that, or whoever is using this Sway can go to the Pew Research article. To present a number of images, come over here, you can click on Stack, insert Stack Group, and we'll minimize. I have my folder of images. I'm going to put some political cartoons into the Sway. Students can analyze them, and then they can put it in their notebook, or you can create a Canvas assignment where they analyze the political cartoons. But once they're in, if we go into preview, you'll see that Here they are. We click on each image and it takes you through the series of political cartoons that we put in. Okay, we'll head back to edit mode. Another feature for images is the comparison. So we click on that and kind of do the same thing with the images. We'll click to images to compare and take a look at that in the preview. And now we have a sliding where you can compare two images. Not sure this is ideal for these two images, but that's something you can take a look at in your content area. Alright, back to edit mode. A lot of things we can embed into the Sway. So if we go back to our cards here, you can see this card embed. All they take are, you can take any Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint, or YouTube video. So I have a YouTube video that I would like to share. So if we click on that, grab the embed code, copy that, and back into our Sway, paste the embed code there. So we can embed a YouTube video. That'll show up and they can play it right into Sway. You can embed a Word document. I have some other charts I want to share, so I can embed this document into the Sway. Click on the three dots, find the embed, copy the code, go back to my Sway, paste the embed code there, and we've embedded a Word document. We can embed Excel spreadsheet, click on the share, find that embed code, copy that, paste that, and one last thing we can embed is from Twitter. We can embed a tweet. So I'm in TweetDeck. Go to the three dots of the tweet you want. Embed this tweet. Copy the embed code. Go back, paste, and we have that. Let's take a look at what we've done so far. We'll hit preview, and this is set up to go slide by slide, card by card in Sway terms, and we can go through the different pictures, play the YouTube video. We could go full screen if we wanted. The Word document online so they can scroll through that. The Excel spreadsheet. And these are live, so if you make edits to that, they will change in this way as well. And the tweet, which is also media. I didn't really like that presentation layout, so in our edit mode, come up here to layout and you can take a look at different presentation layouts. This is the horizontal view, so you scroll through that way. And when you are finished, you can click on play and see what it looks like in play mode. So it gives you some instructions. You can scroll through a little bit at a time. You can change the size of images right in the edit mode. Find the image you want to change, and you have 3 options to make it a little bit bigger. Maybe make the Excel spreadsheet a little bit bigger so we can see it, and head back into preview. So now it stands out a little bit better as they scroll through. And that's pretty much it. We completed the sway. One last thing, we can embed this right into Canvas. So I'll get the embed code for the sway, copy that to the clipboard. We'll open up Canvas. I'll drop this right in the professional development course. We'll have a page up soon on sway. Put that in edit mode, and I copied the code, so I need to click on HTML editor and paste that right in there, save it, and we should have a sway right there, and you can enlarge it from there and watch it right through Canvas. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, give us a call at the PD office. 6673 is our extension. Send us an email, pop in. Next Tuesday we have sway all day on the 31st. So show off your Halloween costume, pop in, maybe have some light refreshments, and talk to you next time. Thanks a lot.